QuizPlatter. Platter full of knowledge. Google Quiz. Before we start, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our quizzes. Who co-founded Google with Larry Page? Answer D. Sergey Brin. What does the word Google come from? Answer B. Google. Which company owns Google? Answer A. Alphabet Inc. What is Google's web browser called? Answer C. Chrome. Which Google product is used for navigation? Answer B. Google Map. Where is Google's headquarters located? Answer D. Mountain View, California. What is Google's AI assistant called? Answer A. Gemini. Which Google service is used for emails? Answer C. Gmail. Which Android company does Google own? Answer A. Android Inc. What is Google's video platform? Answer B. YouTube. Which Google product stores files online? Answer D. Google Drive. What is Google's mobile operating system? Answer C. Android. Which Google service offers online documents and sheets? Answer A. Google Docs. What is Google's unofficial motto? Answer C. Don't be evil. How many searches does Google process per day, approx? Answer B. 8.5 billion. QuizPlatter. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment.